Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 of leftover yarn crochet project. And I'm gonna use these two colors together, this one and this one. And I'm gonna make a basket. I'm not sure what it's gonna look like and we will see. Let's get started. I'm gonna use an 8mm crochet hook. Then I'm gonna start with this beige color. We're gonna start at the bottom, we're gonna work in a round. I make a magic ring. I twist the yarn like this. The short tail is on top. Then I pinch it right here. Insert the hook into that loop. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and then chain 1. The chain 1 is a part of a magic ring. Round 1, chain 3. The first 3 chains. Always count as 1 double crochet. Then I'm gonna make 9 double crochet into this ring space, includes the first 3 chains. It'll be 10 stitches total. I yarn over hook, insert the hook into this ring space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat into the same ring space. I'm gonna keep repeating this until I have 10 stitches total. I have 10 stitches total, includes the first 3 chains. Then I'm gonna pull this tail tight, the short tail here, to close up this hole. Like that. Then we're gonna end round 1 with slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Right here, insert the hook. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and then pull it through. When I make a slip stitch, I make sure I make it tight, so I'm not gonna accidentally crochet into that slip stitch. Okay, start round 2 with chain 3. Again, count as 1 double crochet. Then into the same stitch that we make a slip stitch, make 1 more double crochet. And then we're gonna make 2 double crochet into each stitch around. Next stitch here, make 2 double crochet. Two double crochet into the next stitch. Two double crochet into the next stitch. Keep making 2 double crochet into each stitch around. At the end of round 2, I have 20 stitches around. And to end the round, we're gonna make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Insert the hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull it through. Make it a little tight. Okay. Round 3, chain 3, count as 1 double crochet. Then into the same stitch that we make a slip stitch, make 1 more double crochet. Then 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, then the pattern repeat for round 3 is gonna be 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then repeat. 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Alright, we're gonna keep repeating that around. So make 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, then repeat, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, repeat, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Keep repeating this around. It's like 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. I'm at the end of round 3 and I have 30 stitches around. To end round 3, we're gonna make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Start round 4 with chain 3, count as 1 double crochet. Then into the same stitch that we make a slip stitch, make 1 more double crochet. And then make 1 double crochet into each of next 2 stitches. And the pattern repeat for round 4 is gonna be 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 double crochet into each of next 2 stitches, and repeat that around. So 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then repeat 2 double crochet into the next stitch, oops, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Alright, you're gonna keep repeating this around. Make 2 double crochet into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet into each of next 2 stitches. It's like 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1. I'm at the end of round 4 and I have 40 stitches around. And to end the round, we're gonna make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. And I think I'm done with the bottom part. And to start the body part of the basket, I'm gonna chain 1, never count at a stitch. Then I'm gonna make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Then I'm gonna make 1 single crochet into the next stitch and then into each stitch around. I'm at the end of round 5 and I have the same 40 stitches around. I forget to tell you, this pattern is in a multiple of 5 stitches. Okay, to start round 6, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet into the first stitch and then into each stitch around. I'm not gonna make a slip stitch to end the round, and I'm not gonna chain 1 to start new round. I'm just gonna jump in here, the first stitch, insert the hook there, and make single crochet. We're gonna work in spiral. I'm gonna use a stitch marker, mark into the first stitch. And then keep making 1 single crochet into each stitch around. I don't want to see the slip stitch join on the side of the basket, that's why I keep going with the spiral. Alright, I will be back when I'm at the end of round 6. I'm at the end of round 6, I have the same 40 stitches around. And then for round 7, round 8, and round 9, we're gonna repeat round 6. I'm gonna show you a little bit on round 7. Remove the stitch marker, then make the first single crochet into the first stitch there. Then place the stitch marker into the first stitch in every round. Then just keep making 1 single crochet into each stitch around. Basically, we're gonna have 5 rounds of single crochet stitches. Alright, this is what it looks like so far. This is round 7, and I will be back when I'm at the end of round 9. I'm at the end of round 9. Next, I'm gonna cut the yarn and weave the end. Cut the yarn, pull the yarn out. Then I bring my yarn needle, insert the tail into my yarn needle. Then I'm gonna make a invisible join. So I'm gonna skip the next stitch, which is the stitch marker there. Then insert my needle into the next stitch. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove that stitch marker. Okay, I pull the yarn out. Then I'm gonna insert my needle back into the last single crochet here and put it inside the basket. See, I just create a new stitch here. That's why we skip 1 stitch and then pull it a little bit. Very nice. And I still have the same 40 stitches. And now I'm gonna use this color. I'm gonna start off with slip knot. Insert the hook into that slip knot. Then insert the hook into any stitches you prefer. I'm just gonna insert it right here. Then I yarn over hook, pull up a loop. I have 2 loops on my hook. I yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Basically, we make a single crochet there. Okay, and next I want you to place a stitch marker into the next stitch. It will help you in a little bit, you'll see. Then I'm gonna insert my hook into the same single crochet line, but 1 row below. Okay, then after that I'm gonna insert my hook into the same line, but 1 row below. Then I'm gonna repeat with 1 row below. Then I'm gonna repeat 1 row below. Then I'm gonna repeat 1 row below. Total of 5 of this 1 row below pattern. Okay, I hope this makes sense. I'm gonna go slowly. So first I insert my hook into the same single crochet line, but 1 row below right here. Insert the hook, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, pull up a little bit, make sure it's the same height as the first single crochet. Then I'm gonna use my index finger, hold on to these 2 stitches that's on the hook. Then I'm gonna insert my hook into the same line, but 1 row below. Insert, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, make sure the same height. And then I repeat, I hold on to these stitches, then insert the hook, 1 row below. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop, make sure the same height. Hold on to these stitches, insert the hook, 1 row below. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop, make sure the same height. Then hold on to these stitches, insert the hook, 1 row below. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop, make sure the same height. Okay, now I have 6 loops on my hook. I'm gonna yarn over hook and then pull through the first 5 loops. I yarn over hook, pull through the first 5 loops like that. I have 2 loops on my hook. I yarn over hook and pull through those 2 loops like that. Then I'm gonna skip the stitch that I placed my stitch marker. Then insert the hook into the next stitch and make a single crochet. And then single crochet into the next stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch. And this is gonna be the pattern repeat. So see, I have 5 stitches. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why we need a multiple of 5 stitches. And where I place my marker here, before I try to make this pattern without place the stitch marker, it's a little difficult to see. Am I skip 1 stitch or 2 stitches? So I think this helps. Anyways, I'm gonna remove my marker, then I'm gonna start repeat this pattern again. So we start with single crochet. I'm gonna make single crochet into the next stitch. Then I'm gonna place the stitch marker into the next stitch. And now I'm gonna insert my hook into the same single crochet line, but 1 row below. Do the same. Make sure it's the same height and then hold on to these stitches. Insert the hook into the same line but 1 row below. Make sure the same height and then 1 row below, right here. Pull up and then 1 row below, right here. Pull up, then 1 row below, right here, and then pull up. Okay, I have 6 loops on my hook. I'm gonna yarn over and pull through the first 5 loops. I yarn over hook. I turn the tip of my hook down a little bit. It's easier to pull through the loops. Okay, I'm gonna pull through the first 5 loops like that. And now I have 2 loops left on my hook. I yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Then I'm gonna skip the stitch that I placed my stitch marker. Then make single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch. And see, we have 5 stitches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm gonna remove my stitch marker. And now we're gonna start the repeat again. I'm gonna show you one more time. We start with single crochet. Then place the stitch marker into the next stitch. Then insert the hook into the same single crochet line but one row below. And then one row below. One row below. One row below. One row below. Okay, I have 6 loops on my hook. I yarn over and pull through the first 5 loops. 2 loops left on my hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Then skip the stitch that I placed the stitch marker. Then insert the hook into the next stitch and make single crochet. Single crochet into the next stitch and single crochet into the next stitch. And that's it. You're gonna keep repeating this around. And here's what it looks like at the end. Beautiful. Then I'm gonna make 1 single crochet into each stitch around. Here's the first stitch. Place a stitch marker. And I forget to tell you, at the end of round 10, I still have the same 40 stitches around. Okay, I'm gonna keep making 1 single crochet into each stitch around. This is round 11. At the end of round 11, I have the same 40 stitches around. For round 12, remove the stitch marker. Make the first single crochet into the first stitch. Place the stitch marker into the first stitch. Then I'm gonna make single crochet into each stitch around. I'm at the end of round 12, and next I'm gonna cut the yarn and weave the end. Cut the yarn, pull the yarn out. Then I bring my yarn needle, insert the tail into my yarn needle. Then I'm gonna do the invisible join. So I'm gonna skip the next stitch right here, the stitch marker. Insert the needle into the next stitch. I'm just gonna remove the stitch marker and then pull the yarn through. Then insert the needle back into the last single crochet here, right at the middle part. And then go inside the basket, like that. And then I'm gonna weave all the ends. And I'm done with this basket. What do you think about this basket? I think it's super cute and fun to make. It took me about 1 hour to make this basket. I still need to weave all the ends here. And that's it for this basket. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video, which is day 2 of leftover yarn crochet project. Bye bye!